everyone seated at all times. If you have an emergency, and only if you have an emergency, pull the red emergency cord over your head. How's everyone doing tonight? You guys good? Yeah? Woo, 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 woo! That's what I'm talking about. Look at this music. Oh, love it. Love it. Now, before we begin tonight's festivities, I do have a question for you all. Do you love horror movies? Yeah?
Yeah!
No? Someone said no, you're in the wrong place, bro.
Wrong tram.
Well, there is one name that is synonymous with the horror genre. Now, that name, can you guess?
Myers.
It's not Mike Myers, close. Blumhouse. That's right, the company behind some of the most frightening film franchises in modern horror. And tonight we're going to take you to the place where the horror movie was born. The world's famous Universal Studios backlot, baby. That's right. Well, like all great horror movies, there's a bit of a twist. See, we're going to drop you off, and you're going to have to walk through some of the most iconic sets in horror history, where you'll come face to face with some of the most famous characters from the Blumhouse films. Now, I have another question for you all. What's the scariest setting for a horror movie? Yell it out. Anybody? Bathroom? Bedroom? Your mom's house?
Darkness!
Yeah, that is scary, let me tell you. Now, to me, the answer is right there in Blumhouse's name and logo, a house. A place that's supposed to be safe. A place where nothing can possibly go wrong. You know what I'm talking about. A stranger that arrives at your front door at the dead of night. A phone that rings and rings. Or even a little girl's doll that starts acting a little weird. That's right. Houses are portals to the unknown. When you step through that door, you don't know what will be waiting for you on the other side. And welcome to Terror Train. Enter the Blumhouse.
There's someone I want you to meet. This is Megan. Take your fingers and put them here. You're gonna pair with her.
Hi, Megan. Do you want to hang out?
Cue the creepy dude in the mask.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Just remember all the good the purge does.
You don't actually believe that story, do you?
After tonight, nothing will ever be the same again.
Don't make me drink alone.
You should probably run. I can't wait to kill you.
The creepiest damn thing.
I hate dolls, but you know what? I don't have to deal with this. You do. That's right, folks. This is as far as we can take you. We have arrived. That's right. There's our girl. Please make sure to grab all of your belongings, folks. Remain seated until the student tour masters open the tram gates. Have fun, be safe, and don't walk by yourself. Always walk with a buddy. All right, bye-bye. Watch your step.
Hi, folks. First up at Terror Tram. Let's go inside.
asking myself the same question. Nailed it. What are you? I've been asking myself the same question. I know the new primary user. Me.
Megan, turn off.
Do you know what happens to bad boys?
I can't wait to kill you.
Would you like to see a magic trick? Would you like to see a magic trick? You have to get through me! Hang up the phone!
have it, Terror Tram, Blumhouse edition. All in all, good. Best part I enjoyed, or with more of the purge on this one. So, if you get a chance, check it out. Highly recommend it. Alright, folks. Time to head on to my next location. I'll be right back.